Hello everybody, and let's see how to add a menu to our project as we are going to do it. And so here is a little example here. I want to show it. This is a simple voice of the menu called hello, and if you print it, if you click it, it will print hello. So let's see how this works. You got to save this one. And you got to import Tkinter as TK, so we will call this one Tkinter. We will call this module TK, and so we will create the window with TK module and TK class, and at the end we will finish this with the usual main loop. Inside here we are going to create a menu from the TK module, the class menu, and then we're gonna add to the menu. We will use this method add command, and let's call it hello, and then you're gonna see here that we have to add label here. Okay, we don't see it because we need to configure the root config with adding to the root a menu called, by the way, menu. Now you see we get it. That does nothing, but you just have to add command, and let's say print hello. Then outside of this we create a function print hello with no arguments that just prints hello. And so when we click it now, you can see there is this text written on the console each time that we print. And so if we want to add another one, we can make quit, and we're gonna do root.destroy method here of root so that we can actually destroy the window. Okay, we don't need this. Okay, so we got hello and quit, and so on. We can add other voices, and let's go on now with our project.